It's Mr. I Like Guns, aka Trick with the 9, and this is unloaded, safe and clear. Y'all know I practice firearm safety, so don't come at me in them comments. But anyway, my bro at Rebel Firearms about to pull up on you, boy. So y'all go subscribe to his channel, beat that subscribe button up. We about to hit that outside range. Get some work in with the EDCs, man. That's very important to do. Get your work in with EDCs. Don't carry if you don't know how to shoot it, man, in my opinion. And I'm about to go get the Hellcat Pro red dot sighted in while I'm there. So it's only right to get my John Wick on with the red dot, get it zeroed in. Because, you know, I've been had that thing on that lower 1/3 co-witness, and that's been working well for me, but it's only right to get it zeroed in. And I'm going to take the Draco with me because y'all know I love getting shots out that Draco. And y'all 7.62 boys, don't come at me in them comments talking about your Draco or 9mm, man. I know it's a 9mm. I'm tricked with the 9.
Shut your stupid...
That's what I do. But anyway, I'll see y'all at the range. Out here with the bro, you know, get the outside range today. Got to get that work in. Outside range better than the inside range. You can do a little more out here. I mean, they got some rules, but we gonna follow them. You know, you got to follow the rules when you're at the range. You don't want to get kicked out. But yeah, got the tools out here about to get loaded up. Yes, sir. And what we working with today, we got the Draco 9S. Got the Shield Plus. You know, this the EDC. We got to work with that. Got the Hellcat Pro. Got to get this sighted in. Budget optic, but we're going to work with it, get it sighted in. I've been had it on the lower 3rd co-witness, but about to go ahead and get rid of that and get it on dialed in to 0. And we got the bro right here with Rebel Firearms. What you got over here, man?
Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Little 26.
Oh, we got the Glock 26.
Hold on, though. You know what I'm saying? A little extra attention right there.
ETS MAG.
Yeah.
You know, alternated with the
there?
hollows in the full metal jackets,
Yes,
you know.
Sir. Little song. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Got enough ammo, you know what I'm saying? But
We out today. Got it out there at 10 yards. Yes, sir. Get that work in.
Okay, y'all must not be squeezing hard enough.
Yeah, 10 yards. We at 10 yards, behind the 15, behind that 20. Shots off camera, and I'm off to the left. Try to fix that up. Got the EDC, the Shield Plus. So about to try to fix that. See if I can get more to the middle with that. Let's go.
Ammo does go bad. So old. No,
Yeah, no.
It's a little better right there. Pull them over to the middle. Got a few bullseyes right there. Nothing much. I gotta get some more with that, but that's why we come out here and practice. See, work here with the EDCs, very important. Don't carry these if you don't know how to shoot with them.
Shut your stupid ass up!
Draco, 9S, chopstick. You already know. Yes, sir. Get that up out of there. You clear? Safe? Yes, sir. 9S, man. Got the bro. Rebel Firearms. He about to get some shots. This is my EDC, the Shield Plus. You
It
did.
is hot, so we travel with it. Always be careful. As you see, got the flashlight on that bit. You know what I'm saying? That EMP shit, I always wanted to shoot. Y'all finna get it first. Y'all finna get it first.
Yes, sir.
Ooh,
She selected the trim. Yeah.
yeah.
What you think about that?
I love it. The best thing about it is this trigger, man. The trigger and then the grip. But you can't figure out how small it is, how compact it is.
Yeah.
You can actually conceal this. You can take it to the range easy, get your shots off. You can add to it. I already got the chicken in on them. Yeah, I love it.
That what's up. What you got? Cop or drop, man?
Oh, she definitely a cop.
Yeah.
My nigga.
Yeah, yes,
She
sir.
definitely a cop. And
Yes,
it's,
sir.
look, they don't even see it though. Look, they don't even see it. See, look right here on the mag, it matches the grip, so it's flush. It's flush. You don't feel nothing right here. You're not getting hit. It feels comfortable. Yeah, that's the one right there. I like
Yes,
that.
sir. Yeah. That what's up. Boy, cop my shield plus. You got the firearm. This is Glock. What's this? The 26. Yeah, about to get some shots with this. I ain't never shot a 26 before. About to see how that goes. Let's go. Oh, I'm low. I'm shooting low left with this.
Find that wall.
I like that. If I shoot it enough, I get on. See, I was shooting low left with that. But I started making the adjustment. Came over a little bit more. I work with that. I get it on target. 26. I wish the grip was a little longer, but hey, she right.
Yeah, got the Hellcat right here. You already see what's going on, man. Red light. Don't even worry about that part though. Just focus on the target.
Oh, you gotta put one in there. Oh. You slipping. You slipping.
Well, I thought she was hot.
You slipping.
I gotta make the pin. Oh, not first, not first. Oh, where she at? Top left.
The Hellcat got some kick to it.
Ooh. Bottom left.
We out. Say these right here be jamming. We about to find out. What we got in here? How many we got in here?
You got 10. If you need to load it up, load it up.
We got
man.
10 in
They
here.
be,
Now,
they be
that's all we
talking
need.
shit.
That's
They
all
be
we
talking
need
shit
is
about
10.
the
We
ETS.
about to find out. Got that stick in there?
Slide open.
Oh no. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. There's one.
Yeah, I think it's just the magazine.
Okay.
Bottom of the slide.
That's it. Yeah, we out. No lock back, but hey, one hiccup with the ETS MAG. Not bad, just one hiccup. They say these jammers, but peanut butter, one jam. Okay, just got back from the range with the bro. at Rebel Firearms. You know, we hit the outside range today. I've been there a few times, nothing major, just a few times in the past. So we had to hit that up today because, you know, I got to hone my skills in outside because I've been at that inside range because it's more convenient to my house. So that's why I've been going to hone my skills in at the inside range with my EDC. And I do carry the Shield Plus, and it is safe and clear because I will be handling this in this video. But yeah, like I said, I've been at the inside range lately, and I feel like the man with this at the inside range. Very accurate with my EDC at the inside range. In my opinion, I'm the man with this.
You think you're a man with that gun in your hand, don't you?
When it comes to the inside range. But at the outside range, not so much. And let me explain why, in my opinion. And you know, at that inside range, you got them lanes, and they not that big, so you got less room to compensate. So when I'm on target at the inside range with this, I'm on target. And I know it because it's straight down the pipe, in my opinion. But at the outside range, you got way more room to compensate. So none of them small lanes blocking you. So you got more room for error, in my opinion. So what I was doing with this at the outside range, I was dipping low left with my shots. And I don't like that because it was kind of embarrassing out at the range doing that. You know, putting them shots low left, because at the inside range, I'm the man, like I said. So I can't be embarrassing myself with my EDC, something I carry on a daily, and going out shooting low left with this. And I don't do that at the inside range. I put shots on target, and I don't know why I was yanking them things low left, man. Like I said, I believe it's from what I explained to y'all with going to the inside range and then going to the outside range. So with this, from now on, I'm gonna be getting my work in at that outside range, man, so I can hone my skills in, because most self-defense situations take place outside anyway. So I feel like it's very important, if y'all got EDC, to train outside, because you go to them inside ranges thinking you John Wick, James Bond. Trust me, you not. When you get to the outside range, it's gonna be a rude awakening. So take them things to the outside range and practice with them, get your training in at the outside range, man. Because I feel like it's very important, man. But hey, it's Mr. I Like Guns, aka Trick with a 9. I appreciate all the new subscribers for rocking with me, beating up that like button. But for my new viewers, if y'all seeing this, smash that subscribe, smash that like button, rock with me on these videos, post shorts on the daily, videos on the weekly, be going in. I'm gonna be getting out more range footage for y'all, man. The bro, Rebel Firearms. Go subscribe to his channel. Beat that subscribe button up for him. And he new to this YouTube, just like me. So we going on this YouTube journey and this shooting journey together. Y'all rock with us. And I'm out.